Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to share my makeup recommendations with you for the Nykaa Pink Friday sale. I did receive a PR from them which I have unboxed on my Instagram, so please check that out. But the products which I will be recommending are the ones which I have been using, and this is a not sponsored video. So now let's get started. Starting with the first category, that is the primer. So in the drugstore category, I have been loving this Nykaa Prep Me Up primer. It fills up your pores. It provides a smooth canvas for your base. So definitely check this out. And in the high-end category, I have been loving this Smashbox Minimize Pore Primer. It also fills up your pores and provides a smooth canvas for your base. So depending upon your budget, I will be recommending both drugstore and luxury products. Next, for the foundation, I have 3 recommendations for you. In the drugstore category, I have the K-Beauty foundation. And in the drugstore, I have one more recommendation for you. That is this Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I love this foundation so much. You can see I already have 2 bottles of it. And in the high-end category, I have been loving this Huda Beauty foundation. I use it for occasions where I require a full coverage base. All the shades and links will be mentioned in the description below. I will also be sharing the latest offers which I could see on the Nykaa app somewhere on the screen, so check that out as well. Next, for the concealers, I have been loving the Maybelline Fit Me concealer, L'Oreal Infallible concealer. I do not have any high-end concealer for recommending you, so we have 2 drugstore. Next, for color corrector, the only corrector which I have been using is this LA Girl Peach corrector. I also had the orange one, so you can check out LA Girl for your color correctors. I think they even have a green one for pimples and everything. Next, for the powder category, for the loose powder, I recommend the Maybelline Fit Me, and I also recommend the K-Beauty translucent powder. I couldn't find it right now, but I'll insert a picture of it. And in the compact version, I love the MAC Studio Fix compact. Most of the days I just apply this compact and nothing else, and I'm good to go. Next, in the cream blush category, I first have this Simply Nams blush in the shade We Go Way Back Almond Brown. This is what the blush looks like. I'll swatch it for you as well. It has a nice brown pink tone to it. Next, I also recommend the Flower Beauty cream blush. I have it in the shade Bitten. I'll show you what this shade looks like. These blushes are very pigmented. You only need a half a drop of it. This is what the shade Bitten looks like. And lastly, in the cream blush category, I have this Nudestix Bohemian Rose blush. I have been obsessed with this blush ever since I got it. This is what Bohemian Rose looks like. It is a nice everyday pink shade. The Nudestix blush also comes with a brush of its own, so you can even use this as well. And it is perfect for on-the-go touch-ups. Next, in the cream blush, we also have the K-Beauty blush. This is in the shade Sweetheart Pink. This is also the one which I have been using a lot lately. What the shade Sweetheart Pink looks like from K-Beauty. In the powder blush category, I have this Color Bar blush. This is in the shade Sweet Scarlet. I just love this blush. It perfectly defines your cheeks. For contour, Sugar palette. It also comes with a blush and highlighter, which are also good, so you can definitely check this palette out if you are looking for all 3. For the eyes, in the drugstore category, I have this Sugar eyeshadow palette, which has good pigmentation, performs well. They come in different shades, so you can definitely check this palette out. And in the high-end category, we cannot definitely go without a Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette. I have 3 of them, the rose gold one, the Desert Dusk palette and the Mercury Retrograde palette. So if you had to pick one out of these, you should definitely check this Mercury Retrograde palette out. This is what the palette looks like. It comes with such colorful shades and all of them are so good. Definitely you can create different looks with them. Also have the Naughty Nude palette and the Empowered palette, which will be on great discount. I think 40 to 50% off. Definitely check that out as well. Completing the eye section, coming to the eyeliners, I have two recommendations. One in the drugstore category, I love the Maybelline Tattoo Liner. I have completed it and I need to repurchase it, so I'll insert a picture of it here. And in the high-end category, I have been loving this Too Faced Better Than Sex eyeliner. It is jet black, it is matte, and it is very long lasting. If you have the budget, then you can definitely check this eyeliner out. Moving to mascaras, I have two recommendations again. One from the drugstore category, it has to be definitely Maybelline Sky High mascara. And in the high-end category, I have Superfan mascara. If you have to choose one, definitely I would say go with the Smashbox Superfan mascara. It is really worth it. I love it more than the Maybelline Sky High mascara, but even this mascara is good if you want it in a budget. Moving to kajal, I have this Maybelline Tattoo Studio Smoky Kajal. It is a very nice kajal. It is black. This is what it looks like. It is jet black, doesn't smudge. It comes with a brush as well if you want to smoke it out. In the high end, I love this Technicolor Kajal. It is also nice, jet black, doesn't smudge. It is kind of waterproof as well. Coming to the highlighters, in the drugstore category, I have this Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. It comes in two shades, gold and pink. I have both of them. Perfect for your festive season, for your weddings. Definitely check this one out. And in the high-end category, I have been loving this one. This is the Becca Champagne Pop. I have it in the mini version. I love it so much that I just preserve it for special occasions. This is what Champagne Pop looks like. You should definitely get your hands on this one, even if it's the mini size. Coming to the lips, I love the Kiro lipsticks. I have it in two shades, Nutmeg Nude and Sandy Rose. I'll swatch it for you guys. So this is the Nutmeg Nude shade and the below one is the Sandy Rose shade. These lipsticks are very comfortable, very lightweight. You can definitely get your hands on this. I also love this Color Bar liquid lipstick in the shade Hot Latte. I have been wearing this shade recently and I have been getting a lot of comments that which lipstick I am wearing. So this is it, you guys. It is the Color Bar liquid lipstick in the shade Hot Latte. Color Bar would be having a buy one get one on their lipsticks. If I am not wrong, I'll insert their offer here. Do check it out. I've also been loving the Simply Nam liquid lipstick. No, this is not their liquid lipstick, it is their lip butter. You should definitely get one of these. They are so comfortable and so long lasting. You'll love it on your lips. And I also love their lip oil. It hydrates your lips very nicely and your lips will become soft. This is their lip oil in the shade Golden Hour and this is their lip butter in the shade Rosine. So definitely check Simply Nam out as well. And in the high-end category, we can definitely not do without MAC lipsticks. I have 6 of them here. I'll just tell you the shade names. First up, we have the Meher. It is a nice pink lipstick, pink nude lipstick. Next, we have the shade Captive. It is a rosy pink, berry pink shade with a satin finish. Next, we have Whirl. It is a matte lipstick. It is in the shade of brown. This is also a very unique shade of MAC which everyone has been loving and it is perfect for daily use. Next we have Soar. It is a mauve nude shade. And we have Russian Red. It is a red shade as the name suggests and it is in the matte variant. And lastly we have Velvet Teddy, which is a very nude kind of shade. All these lipsticks I have swatched on my Instagram, so I'll link that. Definitely check these swatches out. And lastly, a gloss recommendation. Glosses are very trendy right now. So I have this Maybelline Lifter gloss in the shade Moon. Yes. It is a nice light pink gloss. The gloss looks like it is a very nice light pink gloss. Lastly, for setting sprays, I have one recommendation for you guys. It is this NYX Dewy Finish setting spray. It is the best setting spray. You should definitely try this one out. All the links will be in the description below. And that was it for this video. Let me know if you need any other recommendations. Follow me on Instagram. I'll share some recommendations there as well. And I shall see you in my next video. Bye.